12 Bravo, Quebec, and the altimeter is 299 -6. Echo Bravo, get 96.
500. 400. 300. 100 above. 2 minimum.
Continue.
100. 70. 60. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10. Retire.
PD19, you with me?
Ground spoilers.
135.9.
Reverse screen. 70 knots.
Manual brakes.
Auto brakes off.
Delta 217 has the traffic inside.
Delta 217, thank you.
Yeah, we're almost finished on station over here with like a track route with a handoff to Newark, inbound for Linden. Alright, proceed as requested westbound on track routing. Alright, westbound track, 12 Bravo, Quebec, thanks.
Candy Tower, 1230 at 7, you're following a heavy bound 767 on the short final caution at Sibilant. Runway, 22 left, clear flat.
Clear, 22 left, 185. 1769, track the heavy Boeing 767, touch down, runway 22 left, runway 13 right, clear takeoff, wind 2307. Clear. 22 on turn, give way to an inbound Virgin America, then runway 22 right, taxi via Bravo.
After landing checklist.
Cross runway 15 right, hold short runway 15
Exterior lights.
Checked.
Ground spoilers.
Set off.
Engine mode selector.
Checked normal.
Flaps.
Checked retracted.
TCAS.
Checked standby.
Brake temperature.
Checked.
APU.
On.
Checklist complete.